Hi everyone. This is in another video on how to make real money online. I don't know why some people are still working in shops, restaurants, and offices. Why are you doing this for the benefit of your managers and bosses? While you can work online from your own laptop or mobile for your benefit and make passive income more than you can earn it from shops. And without to wake up early in the morning. In today's video I am gonna talk and explain about the website that will change your life's income and you can earn money from it at any time you want. And you can work without to get commands from other people. So now let's go to the website that you can earn from it up to $100 daily. So let's jump to the website.
Here is the website which calls Microworkers. Microworkers is a platform that you can earn thousands of dollars from it by doing simple tasks. First, let's show you how to sign up. To sign up, I am going to show by writing informations not related to my informations. Because I have an account already and I can't create another account. Or my account will be terminated by the administration of the website. And I will not be able to work in this website forever. So be careful to create only one account and don't manipulate the system. By the way, to sign up you will need to write your real first name, middle name and last name written in your national ID or passport. And you will also need to write your birth date and email address and password for your account. And also the address where you live and the zip code of the country you live in. And also the city and the country. And click that you confirm and accept the terms and conditions of this website. And finally click submit to create your account. And after you click submit, you will go directly to the page of the email verification to verify your email address. Jump to your email and open the message sent from Microworkers to verify your account. Now you will need to log in to your dashboard to earn passive income that will let you pay your taxes and live the life you dream. We are now on the dashboard that will change your life to the best. Look at my earnings. I earned this $241 for only 3 days. And you can earn like me guys. I hope you the best. Now, I am going to show you how to earn money by doing simple tasks. Let's begin. Look at the tasks. Here you can earn $3 by creating iCloud account for iPhone mobiles. And the second task you can earn $2 from it by downloading and installing an application for both iPhone and Android. Look at the tasks guys. And the passive income you can earn from this extraordinary website. It depends on you to earn the money. So, be effective and complete more tasks to earn more money. After I showed you how to earn money by doing the tasks. Now I am gonna show you how to withdraw the money you earned it. There are 4 methods to withdraw your money from microworkers. As shown to you, that you can withdraw your money by PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer and AirTM accounts. Choose the method you want to receive your money. So guys, don't waste your time by doing stupid things while you can earn money online. Here is microworkers that is one of multiple chances to earn money online for free. Last but not least, I hope you the best guys. And I wish to every one of you to earn like I earn from this amazing website. And thanks for watching the video. See you in another video.